Hey feds, let's talk about this FEHB question. It's kind of a long one, but it makes sense. They said, my husband is also a federal employee, but I carried the FEHB for the family, which a lot of people think brings up some issues, but it actually brings up less issues than you would think. Would he be in FEHB for 5 years before his retirement by virtue of him being covered by my policy? So what she's actually saying is, I carry the FEHB for my whole family, but he's a federal employee too. Now, to keep, one of the rules for FEHB in retirement is that you have to be in FEHB 5 years immediately preceding retirement. But he's not carrying the FEHB. She is. Does that still count because he's on her policy? The answer is yes, thankfully. And this is one of the areas where they make it nice and easy. It doesn't matter who carries the FEHB policy. What matters is that they're in using FEHB, whether it's on my policy or my wife's policy, it doesn't matter. And for example, if I die and I'm carrying the policy, my spouse, who's a federal employee or a federal retiree, they can go get their own health insurance. It doesn't affect them in any way, health insurance wise. So yes, and in fact, there are some tax savings and different things you can do when we have two federal employees and FEHB, and there are a number of things you can do to save money in FEHB, but still get a lot of great coverage. For those kind of things, come to one of our workshops. You'll learn a ton.